PeaRoy, what you doing, man?
I ain't doing a whole lot, Mr. Rick. What you doing? How you doing?
Yeah, I'm all right. Yeah.
Oh, good. You heard a good joke?
Yeah, I've heard a few.
Okay, well, why don't you tell me one?
What do you call a tree that wants to learn?
What do you call a tree?
An elementary.
An elementary. I get it. I bet I was all right.
It was all right. You didn't laugh at all, did you?
A whole lot funnier since you told it, I guess. Okay.
All right, let's do it again. This time I'll say, where does a tree
go
to learn?
That make a difference. Oh, okay. All right, I get it now. Elementary, yeah. Yeah, I get it.
Okay,
that's pretty funny. Tell Derek.
Right. Well, all right. Let's see. I told my physician that I was out playing, and I broke my arm in 2 places. He told me I probably shouldn't go there anymore.
No.
Is that right?
You can't tell a joke right for nothing, can you?
Maybe I shouldn't.
Tell it again.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah. Okay, what?
Yeah, I've got one. I told my physical therapist.
What? What'd you tell him?
That I broke my arm in 2 places.
2 places? Why?
And he said, maybe you shouldn't go
I
back
would
to
not
them
go
2
back
places.
to them 2 places either.
That's funny right there. Okay. You ready?
That broke up my brother and he's at home.
Hang on. All right, let's see.
All right, tell Ned.
All right, okay. All right, I'll tell you. What do you call a snowman that throws a tantrum?
A snowman that throws a meltdown.
A meltdown.
No, that's a dad joke. And a bad joke. All right. Okay.
Okay. Wait.
Okay.
This is a good one. I know it's a dad joke, but it's a good one. All right. So what do you call a cow?
What?
No. Wait a minute. Where do you find a cow?
Where do I find
with
a
no
cow
legs?
with no legs?
Where you left?
Right. Right where I left.
That's funny. Well, maybe not, but it was funny to me.
It was funny to me.
All right. Okay, well, look here.
Mm-hmm.
Hang on.
Okay.
All right, I'm going to tell my long joke now, all right?
No, don't tell your long joke. No, I'm kidding.
Right,
Go ahead.
I come home from work one day, and I've had a hard day of work and all this kind of stuff. I get out of my car and I slam my finger in the car and everything. I'm really hacked off when I go in the house.
Well,
I go in the house and I'll be dog. There's my mother-in-law. She's all up in my refrigerator. She's eating all my food. She's always leaving stuff everywhere. I had it, so I went up to my wife and said, "Hey, look here."
What'd she say?
Your mama's been living here over 20 years. Don't you think she could find a place of her own?
Yeah, you'd think so.
She said, "Wait a minute.
What?
My mother?
Yes.
My mother? I thought that was your mother."
That wasn't. My teeth keep falling out. That's funny. I don't get. Yeah, I know. That's funny right there.
All right.
Wasn't his mom at all.
In the middle of this. Here we go. Triple Slurpee. You want to?
Yeah, let's do a triple.
I know. I don't ever do a triple Slurpee.
I don't have.
Here we go. You ready? Here we go. Philip,
go ahead.
Wake up. Get your coffee.
Yeah.
Banjo head. Come on. All the rest of you. Tammy, come on. Jimmy. Hey, get up off that sofa. Get that coffee. All right, here we go. Number 1. Man, that's tasty right there, Ed. Here we go. How many is that?
3. That's 4. Maybe 5.
Oh, 2.
Oh, 2. Okay.
All right. So, PeaRoy, tell me yours now.
Okay. All right. What? Tell you my jokes? All right. What did the mama tomato say to the little tomato?
I don't know. What did the tomato say to her young?
Hey, catch up.
Ketchup. I know. I get it. That's funny. All right. Give me a narrative.
What did one hat say to the other hat? Let me go find a head.
Oh.
No, let me go.
Yeah,
let me go get a head.
Okay, I know they're gonna get better. Tell them nothing.
No, they ain't gonna get no better. How come the pony had to gargle?
I don't know why did the pony have to gargle?
Cause he was a little horse.
He was a little horsey, I get it.
He was a little horse.
Alright, I don't know.
What do you call a chicken with lettuce in his eyes?
What do you call a chicken with lettuce in its eyes?
Uh-huh.
I don't think I know that one.
He sees a little salad.
Caesar salad, okay.
He sees a little salad.
Alright, well, do you know a long joke? Because wasn't none of them any good.
I know.
But you got to get better than that,
Oh, I got a mosquito eating on me.
Oh, we're going to have to do a slurpee.
I think he took a whole pint of blood out of me.
Alright, tell your long joke.
Okay. Let's see here. One time, there was this fella, this little girl, and he brought home this boyfriend of his.
Huh? Okay.
And he comes walking in the door. He's got long hair, and he's got a hook in his nose. He got tattoos all over him and everything. And he sat down there and he ate like a dead blame hoodlum, you know. And so after it was all over with, he left, and his mama, her mama says, Dorothy, I don't much believe that. I don't believe that boy's good character. And she said, oh, Mama, you think that about all the boys. If he wasn't that good, he wouldn't be doing 500 hours of community service.
My daddy would have probably shot him. Wouldn't have let him in the house.
Yeah, well, it's a little better.
Oh, my. All right, well, that's good. I like that joke better than your little short one. All right, well, you be good. Y'all be good.
We'll see
I will see
whenever
y'all
we can.
again.
I don't know when
whenever I can. All right, look at y'all. Be sweet. Tell your mama I love her too.
Okay. Well, hey, you talking about my mama?